Hi guys, welcome back to the session. Very good morning. I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's been quite a long time. Big break, 4 days. Okay, so we had a discussion on agile method. I guess we started discussion on agile methodology. I guess all of you have taken the diagram of how the agile methodology, how the agile framework is going to look like. But before that, let us understand what are we going to learn in this particular agile framework. Okay, let me write down the table of content, what you will be learning in this agile methodology. So first thing, you're going to learn what is agile methodology. Second thing, principles principles of agile methodology. Then we're going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages. Agile methodology. Srikanth, you joined the call, right? Are you speaking? Check my connection. I purposefully not added you to the invitation and I have not shared any recording to you. Since this Saturday I'm coming to your institute, that recursive coders. I'll come and address all the people who all want to join testing. I know you all have joined there. You're learning a Java there. Okay, this Saturday I'm coming there. I spoke to Puneet also. I'm going to address all the people, all the experienced people who want to attend a testing class. I'm going to discuss with them. And then Monday onwards, you're going to receive the recording access and regular class invitation. Srikanth, if you're not able to speak, say yes or reply. Hope you heard whatever I spoke, whatever I have told. Let me check. Is he in the call? Yeah, Srikanth, you're trying to speak, but there's a mic issue. Cool. What is Scrum and Scrum team? What is Scrum and Scrum team? Hmm, something went wrong. It's stuck. See here, we have the name Scrum. This one only. Scrum framework and Scrum team. When I say Scrum team, we all are Scrum teams. When you're working in the project, you should know what is a Scrum team, who are all will be involved in that. And then next comes Scrum terminologies. Scrum terminologies. And then under that, we have user story. Then we have epic. Then product backlog. Meeting. Pre-grooming. PBIs and bugs. This is what happens in the real time. Even I am also doing the same thing in my job. So that is what we are teaching. And then grooming of the PBIs and bugs or defects. Then next comes uh, what is PBI? Then next a sprint. Then next to sprint velocity. Sprint velocity. This is very, very important from the interview point of view and as well as your real time work as well. Sprint velocity and then sprint backlog meeting and then story point and then mm, sprint retrospect, uh, daily stand up meeting, scrub meeting, sprint retrospective meeting, agile ceremonies, daily stand up meeting, sprint retrospect meeting, then what else? What else? What else? Grooming is done. Sprint backlog meeting is done. Okay, then burn down chart, burn down and burn up chart. Then estimation, PBI or bugs testing estimation. Okay, so these are all the things we are going to learn in this particular session. So now I want you to take down this notes now, from here to till now, till the estimation, from beginning to till the estimation. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I haven't assigned any mentors for your batch. Okay, I could not even track what was going in your batch. So definitely Monday you will have a dedicated mentors. Okay, so today only you continue the presentation. Monday onwards, nobody take any initiative. I'll have a dedicated mentors, and then those mentors will analyze and they'll continue your presentation. The Saturday, Sunday is that work only. I'll sit and talk to all the mentors. I'm preparing some 10 to 15 mentors. I want to change the new, build a new mentors now. So I'll prepare that and then I'll assign few for your batch and for others also. I'm preparing a mentors. Let me know once you completed this. Terminology spelling mistake check. Correct me if I'm wrong somewhere. You correct the mistakes. Let me know once you complete it. We can move forward. Good to go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Perfect.
completely, sir.
Now let's understand what do you mean by the term agile. What is agile? Agile means quickly, able to move quickly and easily. Able to move quickly and easily. You can check in the Google also. Say the term agile says that able to move quickly and easily. So agile, it is a iterative and incremental approach. Iterative means, okay, let me bring up the diagram. If you look at here, this is how the sprint looks like. When you say sprint, when you're running a marathon, they say 400-meter one sprint, or 800-meter one sprint, or 1200-meter one sprint. So means once you complete that one circle, they call it as one sprint. Same way here, in a month we will have a two sprints. Means every 15 days we are going to have a divided works. Okay, we are going to divide 1 month work. We don't want to push it to the customer or to the production environment. We divide our work and we release in a systematic way. So every 15 days we will plan our work only for 15 days. We don't want to keep it for 1 month. 15 days we're going to divide the work. So that sprint, okay, first this 15 days what we are trying to do, okay, we will plan, we'll do the designing, we do the development, we do the testing, and we deploy it in the QA environment, or in the, like, see, once they deploy it in the QA environment, you do the testing, then we put it in the UAT environment, we observe. Once everything is done, we're going to launch it to the customer. And then again, next 15 days work, again we take next feature, like WhatsApp, how it is increased over the period of time. So when they launched, it was not having too many features, but now it has got a lot of features. Over the period of time they have developed it. Same way here also, every 15 days we will have a planned work in terms of implementation, in terms of changes, in terms of a deletion of an old feature, or addition of a new feature, or fixing of a bugs in the application. So those works would have been planned. So that is the reason agile, it is a iterative, means it's a one particular process. Okay, it's a kind of iteration. Okay, there's a one iteration, second iteration, third iteration. And incremental approach means, when I say increment, we are not going to develop only one feature, multiple features we're going to develop over the period of time. Incremental approach, wherein which customer will be keep on changing the requirement, because your customer, he will say, okay, hey, I don't want this feature. Anytime you can come back and ask for the changes. In agile methodology, it is possible, we are going to accept it. When customer will be keep on changing the requirements, as a company we will be flexible to take up all the requirement changes. We develop it, we test it, and then we deliver the quality software to the customer within the short span of time. Means every 15 days we are going to release a small pieces. You will receive a update in your phone pay, you will receive a update in your SBI bank application, or Canara Bank app application, or maybe take nobroker.com application app. If you're searching a house in Bangalore, then you can take most of those, say take Slice application. Every 15 days or 1 month it will ask you to update your app. Even WhatsApp also, have you received update? It will ask you to update your app. Anybody experience it? Yes or no? Have you got in your mobile, after, like say you are using an application for a month or 15 days, you will get a notification from the Play Store, please update your app. Have you received it?
Yes, sir.
Have you experienced it? Okay, why? Nothing but in the back end, 15 days work, they have made some changes and they have pushed it to the production environment. Production means for mobile, it's a Play Store. For Android, for iOS, it's an App Store. Okay, they'll push it. You will receive an update saying that, okay, you have to update that app. They made some changes in the back end. It will improve the performance. Like that, you'll get a notification. You'll get a notification, please update your app to improve the performance. That's it. But backend, they would have made a lot of changes. So in agile methodology, there will be a good communication between the customer, developer, test engineer, and business analyst. The main goal of this agile methodology is customer satisfaction by delivering the working piece of software quickly. So that is the main goal of agile methodology. So then what are the principles of agile methodology? If you ask me, the principles of this agile methodology is, for us, first point, highest priority is customer. Customer satisfaction is very important by delivering the working piece of software quickly. And requirement changes are allowed at any stage of development in agile methodology. And there will be good communication between across all the team members. There is no confusion at all. And release cycle will be very short. In waterfall model, spiral model, customer used to wait for a month or 6 months or 1 year. But no, here, no, every 15 days he can see the work, what we are doing. Release cycles will be very short. Customer no need to wait for longer period of time. And it's a very simple model to adopt. And it's a very simple model to adopt. There is no too much of complexity. And there will be a lot of meetings in this agile methodology. There will be a lot of meetings between the developers and testers to improve the process, to improve the application. So these are all the principles of agile methodology. Now please take down heading, what is agile? Heading, what is agile? Or what do you mean by term agile? Write on this, able to move quickly and easily. Able to move quickly and easily. Quickly and easily. Completed. Next line. Agile, it is a iterative. Agile, it is a iterative and incremental approach. Agile, it is a iterative and incremental approach. Agile, it is a iterative and incremental approach. It's an iterative and incremental approach wherein customer keeps on changing the requirements. Wherein customer keeps on changing the requirements. Wherein customer keeps on changing the requirements. Full stop. As a company, come on, we will be flexible to take up. As a company, we will be flexible to take up. We will be flexible to take up. We will be flexible to take up. We will be flexible to take up all the requirement changes. As a company, we will be flexible to take up all the requirement changes. As a company, we will be flexible to take up all the requirement changes. Come on. We develop it. We develop it. Come on. Test 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 it. And deliver the and we deliver the quality software to the customer, and we deliver the quality software to the customer and we deliver the quality software to the customer within a short span of time. Within a short span of time. Full stop. The next. So you can continue the next point under that only, whatever the uh, paragraph you have taken under that point number 1. In agile methodology, there will be a good communication between customer. There will be a good communication between customer, come on, QA, come on, developers, and business analyst. In agile methodology, there will be a good communication between customer, come on, QA, come on, developer, and business analyst. Next, second point. The main goal of agile is customer satisfaction. The main goal of agile is customer satisfaction. The main goal of agile is customer satisfaction. By delivering the working piece of software quickly. By delivering the working piece of software quickly. Total how many points?
Two, sir.
Can anyone read the notes now? Agile. Quickly. Take initiative, anyone.
What is agile? Agile, agile is to move quickly and easily. Agile
Use
is
the
the
word. Wait. Use the word. The term agile says able to move quickly and easily. Use this word while explaining. The term agile says that able to move quickly and easily. All of you alter the notes. The term agile says able to move quickly and easily. Yeah, continue. Continue, Lohit.
agile is the iterative and incremental approach wherein customers keeps on changing his requirements. As a
Customer
company,
keep on changing his requirements. Okay.
as a company, we will be flexible to take up all the requirement changes. We develop it, test it, and deliver the quality software to the customer within short span of time.
Within a short span of time. Okay.
And
Continuation.
And in agile methodology, there will be a good communication between the customer, QA, developer, and the business analyst. The main goal of agile is customer satisfaction by delivering working piece of
Software
software
quickly.
quickly.
Yes, perfect. That's about agile. If anybody asks, okay, what do you mean by agile or agile methodology? You should start with the term agile says. Start explaining that and then continue the remaining points. Whatever I've given, this is the answer for what is agile methodology or what is agile. Okay. Next heading. Take down principles of agile methodology. Principles of agile methodology. Point number one. Our point number one. You can say even principles or advantages. Put one slash. Advantages also same. Principles of agile methodology or advantages of agile methodology. Both are same. Similar points. Point number one. Our highest priority is customer satisfaction. Our highest priority is customer satisfaction by delivering the working piece of software quickly. By delivering the working piece of software quickly. Second point. Requirement changes are allowed at any stage of development. Requirement changes are allowed at any stage of development. Third point. There will be a good communication between there will be a good communication between all the team members. There will be a good communication between all the team members like QA, developers. There will be a good communication between all the team members like QA, developer, BA, business analyst, and customer. And customer. Next, fourth point. Releases will be very short. Releases, RELEASES. Releases will be very short. Customer no need to wait for longer period of time. Customer no need to wait for longer period of time. Customer no need to wait for longer period of time. Fifth one, it's a simple model to adopt. It's a simple model to adopt. Sixth one, there will be a lot of meetings between there will be a lot of meetings between developers and test engineers. There will be a lot of meetings between developers and test engineers to improve the process. There will be a lot of meeting between developers and test engineers to improve the process and to improve the product performance. And to improve the product performance.
Sure, can you repeat?
Yeah,
Test
there will
engineers
be
to
a lot of
improve.
yes, there will be a lot of meetings between developers and test engineers to improve the process, and to improve the product performance. To improve the product performance. Completed? Okay. So now let's come back. Just wanted to take a quick feedback. I'll go one by one name. So people who are there in the respective group, you can give me a response about their presentation. Sanjana. So like I want people who are all in her group. So you can give a inputs like how is the Sanjana's presentation in terms of communication? Is it good or need to be improved? We're all there in the Sanjana's group.
Yeah, it's good, sir.
It's good to go. Okay. How about the flow of a presentation?
Yeah, nice.
Okay. How about the technical words while giving a presentation? Is she sticking to the points or is she using her own words?
Both she will use, sir. She will explain correctly, and we will be it will be understandable.
Okay, perfect. Okay, now I'll move on to Akshita. Next person. So who are all there in the Akshita's group? Yeah, you can give an input. How about the communication point?
Yes, sir. In coming to communication is good, sir.
But how about the
Yes,
technical
sir.
words?
Yes, sir. She will use technical words. Sir.
Okay, how about the
Yes,
flow?
sir. Yes, sir. Flow is also very fluent, sir.
Okay, no need to take care of the communication classes for her,
No,
right?
sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, I'll go ahead with Vanishri. So Vanishri, she's in which group?
So in my group only, sir.
Okay, how about the presentation?
Yes, sir. It's good, sir.
I need honest feedback.
Yeah, yes, sir. She improved
She
actually.
improved. Okay,
Yes, sir.
initially she was getting scared.
Yeah,
I
I
know.
scared, sir. Now she improved, sir. Yeah.
She improved. Okay, how
Yeah.
about the technical words
Yes, sir. She needs to improve a little bit, sir.
on the technical terms?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, how about the flow? Whether she's
It's
able to
good.
explain
Yeah.
fluently?
Yes, sir. It's good.
Okay, cool. So Vanishri, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ workout ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Still you have 2 months. Give
Okay.
participate in the
Yes.
daily presentation. You can work no problem at all. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Next, I'll move on to the next person. I'll go ahead with Aishwarya Shetty. She's in which group?
She's in group A, sir. I think.
Group A.
Group A, sir.
How is the presentation?
Good, sir.
She's joining daily.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about the flow of a words, like flow of a explanation, like continuously she's explaining or in between using any technical words, a, and the extra separate words she's using, or the flow is good?
No, sir. Flow is good, actually.
Okay. How about the technical words? Usage of technical words while giving a presentation. Is she using all the technical words?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Next, I'll come back to the Darshini MS. She's in which group?
Sir, in my group, sir.
Okay. How about
Yes,
the
sir,
presentation?
sir, she's doing good, sir.
She's doing good.
Coming to technical and communication.
Good, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. How about the Lohit?
He's in the group A, sir.
Group A. So how about the presentation? Presentation wise, is he joining Pawan daily?
Yes, sir. Daily. It's joining, sir.
Okay.
But last
Technically.
2 days we have not done, actually.
Okay. Why?
We have
You could
we have
have
completed manual testing.
SQL. You could have started, no?
SQL, no, not yet, sir. We'll
Start.
do it.
What is RDBMS? What is SQL? They might ask some queries or ask somebody to share the screen and write the script, or ask them to create one table. You will get a lot of questions in the Google, right? You
Yes,
open
sir.
it, you tell them simple question. Okay, you know how to create a table. Okay, I want
Yes, sir.
you to create one table for a customer where customer name, customer ID, customer email ID, customer contact number should be there. So please write a SQL query for that. They should be able to
Got
write
it.
and they should be able to show it to you. Same way for Sanjana also. You can do that for SQL as well.
Okay, sir. Actually, we started with SQL presentations, sir.
Presentation is fine, but
Yeah,
SQL
yeah, sir. Yeah,
theory part is
okay.
fine, but practicality, okay, you share a screen. Once you share the
Okay.
screen, okay, you write it. Okay,
Yeah,
maybe
sir.
others
Today
can
onwards
ask one question.
yeah, so today onwards we will start with that.
Fine. Otherwise, you can prepare some 10 questions. You give it to your team. So tomorrow we're going to discuss on these questions. Come and
Okay.
come with preparation, and
Okay.
they should be able to write SQL queries in front of you, like that. You can ask any questions in that 10. So then remaining fellows, they can pick any one of the question. It's not like a pre-scripted. Just prepare and come. Once you go there, you can shuffle the question. Who you don't know which question you're going to get. So you ask them randomly and make them to write.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Even Pawan, you as well. Okay, please continue that. Next, I'll come back to the Pawan Gowda presentation.
Yes, sir.
How about others? Give inputs for Pawan. So, like, is communication good?
Yeah, he's fine, sir.
Okay. Any technical words? Is he using properly?
Yeah, good, sir. Technical is good. As
Flow
well
of
as
the presentation?
presentation is also good.
Okay, cool. Next, I'll move on to Rakesh. Yes.
Yes, a little bit have to improve in communication wise and technical wise, sir.
Rakesh, are you there in the class now?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
He will little bit
Hello.
nervous when he will start to give a presentation, right, sir?
Rakesh,
On that time, he will get nervous. Yeah,
no
sir.
problem. Rakesh,
Yes,
are
sir.
you there in the class, right? Hope you are
Yes.
able to read all the notes properly. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು?
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ?
I think just I have a fear,
You
sir.
come up with
That's it.
ಭಯ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನೇನ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಾ
ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
Okay, fine. Before you come to the presentation, rehearsal ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? For example, now I have a presentation at 8 p.m. Before that, whole day you will be free, right? Are you working anywhere?
Nothing, sir.
No, you are not working, right? Whole day you have a time. Are you spending at least 2 hours in a day to do the rehearsal for yourself without looking into the notes to avoid the fear? Are you practicing it?
Yes, sir. I'm practicing just 1 hour. That's it.
ಸೊ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಸತಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 months ಟೈಮ್. Come up daily. Okay, fine, one day, 2 day, 1 week, you might feel the difference, but later on you will get adjusted to the system. Okay, please continue that. Okay, if you would have completed waterfall model, come back with the same model, give a presentation once again without looking into the notes, without fear. Which are the topics you are confident? Try 3 to 4 times before you join the presentation. You do the rehearsal in front of mirror. You record it while giving a presentation. You record yourself. After completing, you just listen to that recording. You have mobile, turn on the audio recording, listen. Okay, just turn on, give a presentation, then stop that and listen to yourself. Whether are you giving a correct presentation? You yourself start feeling it. Whether am I doing right or wrong? Okay, please do that. Okay, still we are in the beginning stage. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Fine. Okay. I'll come back to the Shrikant Nayak.
Yes,
So
yes,
you
sir.
are not starting any presentation. I know that.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, tomorrow I'll be there in your institute by 11:30. Not 11. By 11:30 at 12, I'll be there. I'll address all the fellows who are all joining. I'll give a more clarity on the things what you're going to learn. Okay, then we can take it forward. Next, I'll come back to the Soumya. Soumya is there in this call? Yes. Okay. Yes. You can give a feedback on her, Sanjana.
Yes, sir, she's good, sir, actually.
Presentation wise is good.
Coming to communication wise, technical wise, yeah, she's good, sir.
Okay, good. So only thing is we need to take care of Rakesh and a little bit of.
And Ritesh Ranjan is also not attending properly, sir, for presentation classes.
Yeah, I understood. He's having some medical issues. He has
Yeah,
messaged
okay,
me.
that's fine,
He'll
sir.
be from Monday onwards. He'll join. He
Okay,
messaged
sir,
me.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
No problem. So we have to take care of Rakesh and a little bit of Vanishri. We have to closely observe, and all of you guys can help them in terms
Yes,
of
sir, yes.
improvement, or okay, you track them properly and give some guidance if they're lagging somewhere.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, cool. Let's come back. Thank you. Let's come back to the notes. Now take down. What is agile testing? I guess total 6 points completed, right? For the principles. How many points completed?
Yes, sir, 6 points.
6 points. Okay. Now write down. What is agile testing? What is agile testing? What is agile testing? The process of testing the software. The process of testing the software. The process of testing the software by following the principles. By following the principles of the process of testing the software. The process of testing the software by following the principles of agile. By following the principles of agile. Is called agile testing. Is called agile testing. Okay, fine. Now look at here. So we have a disadvantage. So what are the drawbacks in this agile methodology? See, whenever I have a very big project, if it is too complex, there are too many features are there, that time little bit difficult for us to do effort estimation in the beginning of the development. When I say effort estimation, like how many hours I required to do the development for this feature, how many hours I required to do the testing, total effort including development and testing, how many days we require to develop and deliver this particular feature. So when the application is too complex, it is little difficult for us to do effort estimation. in the beginning of the development. That's one drawback. But yeah, we give a approximate. Chances are there it might even go more than that. So that is a little difficult task. Okay. And there's a less scope for a documentation or design here, because since we are focusing on delivering the software, and when I say less focus on documentation, yes, we do it, test case and all we are going to write. But compared to the V&V model, it is less focus on the design and documentation. Then if customer is not aware of the requirements, chances are there it might spoil the entire project in the agile methodology. Customer should have a clarity on what he wants. If you want to work in agile methodology, every time he cannot come back and ask, I want this change, I want rocket, I want sky, I want moon. Every sprint he cannot come back and ask for changes. Customer should have a clarity on the requirements. If he's not aware of the requirements, chances are there it might spoil the entire project. So if anybody want to work in agile methodology, when you go as a fresher or when you go as an experienced candidate, if you know agile methodology, your weightage will be more compared to other folks. Why? Because you will get adjusted to the system easily, and you know what you mean by sprint, what do you mean by user story. You'll be knowing all the terminologies. If anybody want to work in agile methodology, they should have a knowledge or they should have an experience in working in agile project. Then that will be added advantage for them, so that they'll not face any problem, because these technical terminologies are very important. These terminologies, they are going to use it in the agile methodology. Now take down disadvantages or drawbacks of agile methodology. Point number one, for complex and big projects, for complex and big projects, for the complex and big projects, it is difficult to do the effort estimation. 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 In the beginning stage of development. In the beginning stage of development. Next. The second point, less scope for design and documentation. Less scope for design and documentation. Less scope for design and documentation. Put a comma, since we are delivering the software quickly. Since we are delivering the software quickly. Next point, if the customer is unaware of the requirements, if the customer is unaware of the requirements, The customer is unaware of the requirements. Chances are there. Chances are there. Chances are there. We might spoil. We might spoil the entire project. Chances are there. We might spoil the entire project. Next, last point. If anybody want to work in agile methodology, if anybody want to work in agile methodology, if anybody wants to work in agile methodology, they should have a knowledge or experienced. They should have a knowledge or experienced resource should be present. Experienced resource should be present.
So once again, repeat, sir.
Yes. If anybody want to work in agile methodology or agile project, put a comma, they should have a knowledge or experienced resource should be present. Experienced resource should be present. Yes.
ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಗೆ?
You continue that presentation.
ಓಕೆ
Continue that. That is what I told.
ಸರ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
Okay.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Pawan.
ಸರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅವರು ಇದ್ವಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ರೈಟ್ ಅವೇ, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಏನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಬಿ ಬಂದು ಹೊಸದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ?
ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನ್, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್.
Fine. You continue. If you face any issues, then you can come back to me in the next class. Okay. So Pawan, your topics discuss ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ to put a message. Whatever discussion you want to do, you do it in the same group.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So adaptive software development method and dynamic software development method. So these are all the methodologies or process we have in agile, but we are not going to follow all. We're going to use only one, Scrum model, which is popular. Everybody are using it. This lean and Kanban, majorly we use it in the manufacturing section, who like whenever we want to produce a lot of items. Okay, so there will be an inventory system, there will be a like proper defined methodologies. Okay, so what time they have to produce how many lots. So they'll have a proper planning, that Kanban and all. But we don't use it in agile methodology. We use regularly the Scrum for a software. Most of the 99% of the company, they use this. But still, maybe 1 or 2%, some companies, they use Kanban in the software. But as per my experience, most of them, they use Scrum framework. Most of them, they use Scrum framework. You can take down types of agile methodology or process, write down all the 7 names. Let me know once you completed.
Done, sir.
Hope all of you are comfortable, right? Tomorrow at Saturday, like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and Monday, I'm going to take same time. Comfortable, huh?
For me, okay, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? Let's compromise because I took a break. So let's not deviate the session. So let's continue so that I can finish the topics early. Okay, I'll stop it today. Let me stop the recording. Take your 20 minutes time back.